everyone to the pelican feeding. My name's Belle and I'm going to be feeding them today. They're a little bit confused because we normally feed them down there by the ramp, but with the tide up, of course, there's no room down there, so they're a little bit confused today. Hey, I'll give them a couple of fish to start off with, and then I'll give you some information. Oh, they're hungry. Alright, that'll do for now. Okay. Now the pelicans have been fed here every day for nearly 40 years. And they are fed by the San Remo fishing co-op, which is across the road there. How this works. From our local fishing boats. We get the fish and we take the fillets off the fish and we'll serve them in the shop to you. And what we have left is what we call the frame, or the head and the backbone, and that is what we serve the pelicans. Oh, they are. Yeah, they're very hungry today. Now, it is illegal to feed the wildlife, but we have had fisheries and wildlife down here, and we've been given the tick of approval. The only request I made was that we try and keep, as much as possible, keep the people back from the pelicans. They are wild birds. They're very dehumanised, actually. They're so used to this, but we try to keep them as wild as we can. So we do